brain is an organ that has evolved for seeking and fulfilling your highest values. Like a tree branch, it grows in the sky to the light. If it reaches the sunlight, it gets stronger. If it doesn't, it dies. I'm definitely a señora when this stuff makes me happy, just like organizing el baño. But just look, we got all my products here. These are more of just like keeping closed up, and then these can be out and about. Oh, but I love it. If you're like me, yeah, yo soy una señora, una gran señora, period. And little things like this make you happy, like let me know in the comment section. But yeah, this makes me so happy. Me alegro mucho when like just all my products are well put together, and oh, I love it. So satisfying.